to Subway on Friday, and I had a terrible experience. We went in there around 7 o'clock. I took my two nephews and my niece and my fiance with me, and we were looking to have a great dinner. There were two young ladies in front of us ordering, and we were just waiting patiently until they were finished. We ended up getting up to the counter after they were done, and I started the order. I said I'm going to need 5 sandwiches to go, and she looked at me dead in the eye and said, "You know the lobby closes at 8, right? What time is it?" "No, actually I didn't know that. I'm sorry. Let me check my phone. It's 7:30. I then ask my niece to pick a bread, and I look at her and say, "What kind of bread do you want?" Do you want to know what the lady did next? Okay, let's go. I then proceed to gather up all 3 children and my fiance and start to walk out the door. And then she yells, "What's going on? We're going to McDonald's. Have a nice day."